I decided to make myself a remote operated live trap because we have a large population of feral cats in our neighborhood, and I need to get some of them that I know or I don't know if they're neutered or not down to the shelter. And I looked that up online, and remote traps, the remote control a solenoid itself is $150, and then the rest of the traps another 400. So I decided to innovate, or well, you'll see what I did. I started with a $28 remote remote central door locking system off of Amazon. It comes with two remotes, the electronics, solenoid. For these solenoids, I only need one. And if you look, sorry about the poor camera work. It's a $15 rechargeable AGM battery, 5 amp hours. The solenoid lynch pin connected to the solenoid. This is the electronics and the wiring harness. So you see it's got a guillotine door that's held open by a little lynch pin. I used 6 sticks of 2-inch, 6 8-foot sticks of 2-inch furring, and some vinyl wrapped wire you get in the garden department at the hardware stores. I should have used a little heavier gauge, so I can't use this for raccoons, but opossums and cats, I'm sure, will be safe. So, I'm sure you want to see this in operation, and note that I can sit watching my security cameras up to 50 feet or meters away, and here we go. Cat's caught. So, MacGyver, wherever you are, I hope you're happy with your tribute.